This week in Quick Tip Tuesday, we want to talk about how to get fine, delicate parts out from the sprue without breaking them. We all had that problem before. We have a fine, delicate part like this one here, like a antenna or something. This is a window frame. Now you cut right here, you have the problem that you probably break it. The same if you cut here, you move the material here and probably that little part gonna break. So now some people say, well, then cut first right here, then the material has place to move, but even then you have now and then the problem that it breaks. So what I'll do, I heat up a blade and I melt the blade to the plastic. Therefore, there's no tension on those fine, tiny little parts, and you can very easily get that out of the sprue without breaking them. So you just repeat that process on all thick parts, and then you take your clipper, and now you don't have no tension on those tiny parts. You clip everything away and there you go. But this was the tip of this week.